Hi, this is Tim Santoni, and today Ben Gomez joins me. We're coming to you from Santoni headquarters here. We're talking a little bit about those questions and stumbling blocks a lot of our employers ask us in the sales process after they come on board. And we're going to break down these questions and hopefully shed some light on these topics to help you in your onboarding process, your screening process, and managing compliance and risk in your organization. So Ben's going to pepper me with questions, and so let's get started.
How often would you advise running a background check on employees once they've already been hired?
Yeah, it's a great question that we get from time to time, which is, we recommend that obviously conducting a pre-employment background check is the first process. But with long-time employees, there's a lot of things that can come up over a period of time. And so you want to make sure that you implement some sort of rechecking program. So if there's compliance in your industry that requires it, 12, 24, 36 months. But our recommendation is somewhere in the 24 or 36 month range, just making sure that you're up to date on what's going on with that employee and there's nothing coming about in the course and scope of while they're employed that could impact you from an insurance, liability, or compliance perspective. So thank you so much for tuning into the show. If you have any questions or stumbling blocks with your employment background screening or onboarding process, please feel free to reach out to us. Leave some information in the comments below, and we look forward to connecting with you. Thanks.
We should have a bloopers.
We do. We need.
Going at it? Trial run? I haven't been in front of a camera like
It's
this.
red. It's blinking red, right?
Actually, I think you're a little off center.
Hi, this is Tim Santoni, and today Benjamina.
Benjamina. That's gonna stick.